Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest products on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best ultra-thin robot window cleaner of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given. Product 1: Ultra-Thin Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Ultra-Thin Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a cutting-edge household appliance designed to efficiently clean floors and other surfaces with minimal human intervention. This compact and sleek device utilizes advanced technology to navigate and clean various surfaces, including hardwood floors, carpets, and even glass windows, making it a versatile cleaning solution for modern homes. Key features of an ultra-thin robot vacuum cleaner may include low-profile design. These robots are designed to be exceptionally thin, allowing them to easily access hard-to-reach areas, such as under furniture, beds, and cabinets. Their slim profile enables thorough cleaning without requiring manual effort. Vacuuming capability. The primary function of these robots is vacuuming, and they come equipped with powerful suction systems to efficiently pick up dirt, dust, pet hair, and debris from various floor types. Navigation technology. Ultra-thin robot vacuum cleaners often employ advanced efficient cleaning paths. Multi-surface cleaning. These robots are versatile and can clean a range of surfaces, including hardwood floors, tile, laminate, and low-pile carpets. Some models are even capable of cleaning glass surfaces like windows, making them multi-purpose cleaning tools. Remote control. Many ultra-thin robot vacuum cleaners can be controlled remotely using a smartphone app or a dedicated remote control. Product 2. A robot vacuum cleaner. A robot vacuum cleaner, often simply referred to as a robot vacuum, is a versatile and automated household appliance designed to simplify and streamline the process of keeping floors clean and free from dirt, dust, and debris. While the initial description mentions features related to window cleaning and wipers, this overview will focus specifically on the concept of a robot vacuum cleaner. Robot vacuum cleaners are an innovative and convenient solution for maintaining clean floors in homes and other indoor spaces. They are equipped with a variety of sensors, motors, and cleaning mechanisms that allow them to navigate autonomously around a room, effectively picking up dirt and debris from various surfaces, including carpets, hardwood floors, and tile. Key features of robot vacuum cleaners typically include autonomous navigation. These robots are equipped with sensors such as infrared sensors, lasers, and cameras that help them map their surroundings and avoid obstacles. This enables them to move around furniture, and vacuum cleaners are equipped with powerful motors and suction systems that can effectively collect dust, pet hair, crumbs, and other debris from the floor. Cleaning modes. Most robot vacuums offer different cleaning modes, such as spot cleaning, edge cleaning, and random cleaning patterns, to tackle various cleaning needs. Scheduling. Users can often schedule their robot vacuum to clean at specific times, allowing for regular maintenance without manual intervention. Battery life. Robot vacuums are powered by rechargeable batteries, and their runtime varies depending on the model. Some high-end models can clean for an extended period before needing a recharge. Dirt bins. They have a Product 3. Product name. Robot Window Cleaner. The robot window cleaner with a built-in sprayer is a cutting-edge home appliance designed to make the task of window and wall cleaning easier and more efficient. This smart device is equipped with advanced features such as remote controls and high suction capabilities, revolutionizing the way we maintain the cleanliness of our living spaces. One of the standout features of this robot window cleaner is its water spray function. This innovative technology allows the robot to dispense water or cleaning solution directly onto the surface it is cleaning. This feature ensures that the cleaning process is thorough and effective, as it helps to soften and loosen dirt and grime, making it easier for the high suction mechanism to remove it. The water spray also helps prevent streaks and smudges on windows and walls, leaving them sparkling clean. The square design of the robot window cleaner allows it to cover a wide cleaning area efficiently. Its intelligent algorithms ensure that it can navigate around obstacles and reach even hard-to-access places, providing performance. Remote controls add to the convenience of using this appliance. Users can easily control the robot's movement and functions from a distance, making it simple to direct the device to the areas that require cleaning, without the need for manual intervention. This not only saves time, but also minimizes the risk associated with manually cleaning windows at height. Furthermore, the high suction capability of this robot ensures a secure and effective attachment to vertical surfaces, such as windows and walls. It can move smoothly and adhere to different surfaces without the risk of falling, ensuring. Product 4. Product name. Sun's My Home Window Cleaning Robot. The Sun's My Home window cleaning robot is a cutting-edge household appliance designed to simplify and streamline the often tedious and potentially dangerous task of cleaning windows. This innovative device is an automatic water spray window glass vacuum cleaner, equipped with advanced features that make window cleaning effortless and efficient. One of the standout features of the Sun's My Home window cleaning robot is its automatic water spray system. This system ensures that the glass surface is adequately moistened during the cleaning process, facilitating the removal of dirt, grime, and streaks. This automated spray mechanism eliminates the need for manually wetting the window, making the cleaning process more hands-free. The device is equipped with a powerful vacuum cleaner that securely attaches to the glass surface, allowing it to move methodically and effectively across windows of various sizes and shapes. This vacuum not only holds the robot in place, but also sucks up dirt and debris, leaving your windows spotless. It ensures thorough coverage, and it can even handle glass walls, making it a versatile cleaning solution. One of the key advantages of the Sun's My Home window cleaning robot is its remote control functionality. Users can easily operate the robot using a remote control, enabling them to direct it to specific areas or adjust its cleaning mode as needed. This remote control feature adds to the convenience and flexibility of using the robot for window cleaning. The Sun's My Home window cleaning robot represents a significant advancement in home automation, offering a reliable and efficient solution for keeping windows and glass surfaces clean without the need for manual labor. It not only saves time, but also enhances safety by reducing the need for precarious ladder use. Product name Joybos Magnetic Glass Window Cleaning Tool. The Joybos Magnetic Glass Window Cleaning Tool is an innovative and efficient solution for cleaning glass windows in residential and commercial settings. This device is designed to simplify the often daunting task of cleaning windows, offering convenience and effectiveness through its unique features. One of the standout features of the Joybos Magnetic Glass Window Cleaning Tool is its automatic water discharge system. This feature ensures that the cleaning process is not only thorough, but also effortless. Users can fill the device with water or a cleaning solution, and the tool will automatically release the liquid onto the glass surface as it moves, ensuring that the glass is properly moistened for effective cleaning. The tool's double-layer wiper design enhances its cleaning capabilities. With two wiper blades working in tandem, it can efficiently remove dirt, grime, and streaks from both sides of the glass simultaneously. This double-sided cleaning approach not only saves time, but also ensures a streak-free finish, leaving your windows crystal clear. The Joybos Magnetic Glass Window Cleaning Tool is suitable for both household and commercial use. It can be used on a variety of glass surfaces, including windows, mirrors, glass doors, and more. Its magnetic feature allows it to be used safely from inside, while cleaning the outside of windows, eliminating the need for dangerous maneuvers or risky climbs. In summary, the Joybos Magnetic Glass Window Cleaning Tool is a user-friendly and effective solution for maintaining clean and clear glass surfaces. Its automatic water discharge system, double-layer wiper design, and magnetic functionality make it a valuable tool for anyone seeking an efficient and hassle-free window cleaning experience in both. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description box. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video.